Check out my new books on Amazon.com. Here is my children's fictional book, One Bad Night, in color. And this is my coloring book edition. Find them on my links in the description.
Greg's Favorite Drawings, the first edition, is available for $12.99 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $7.99. Greg's Favorite Drawings, the second edition, is available for $19.99 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $7.99. A reference ebook guide to drawing contoured hands is available for $19 in paperback, and the Kindle version is $8.99. Ready Draw for Newbies Kindle edition is $3.99. Previews are available on Amazon. Please leave me a review and rate each product. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.